Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and this is part 2 of me using this beautiful body wave from Nadula Hair Company. And I just wanted to show you guys another little cute little style child, because in the first video I just pretty much wore the body wave in its natural state or whatever, and I just added a little wand curl, 2 or 3 or 4 to the top for the frontal that was washed or whatever. But I want to show you guys a cute another little look that you can wear with this hair, and it will require me to use my little barrel from Conair, and I got this from my local Walgreens. It probably was about 40 bucks, 25 to 40 bucks in that range. But however, I'm gonna show y'all how to create a whole new beautiful look. Like, this is a perfect idea, especially like with this season we're in, it being graduation season and prom season, or if you just want like this cute like curls, you know, like the soft look, long hair or short. It's just like a cute little look just for almost any occasion. Like, you can't go wrong with this style. So I will just be showing you how I curl my hair to achieve the results that you see in the thumbnail photo. And just like a few tips when it comes to curling your hair, especially for this type of look. You want to make sure that you curl all of the hair going towards the back. So that means usually what I like to do is just split my hair in the middle. I just grab hair in the middle of the back of my head, and I just pull half of it to the right and pull half of it to the left, and I will curl the hair on my right side going towards the back, and then I will curl the hair on my left side going towards the back as well. Now, the only time I will probably have all the curls flowing in the same direction is if I'm probably doing like wand curls and I want all the hair to flow one way. But usually when you're doing soft looks and it requires, whether it's a middle or side part, like you have to do the curls in the opposite direction to meet up. But in some cases, some people actually want the curls on the side that I'm curling to go towards the front, and as well as the other curls going towards the back on the other side where the bang will fall. So it depending on what type of look you're going for. Like, you can curl it the same direction on this side, or if you want to curl it going towards the front, you would just turn your curler the opposite direction. But however, I am using this barrel, and I'm just curling it a little bit and adding, actually I didn't add anything to this hair. I just curled it and I squeezed the curl after I release it from the hot curler, and then I'm just going to drop it. However, you do not want to comb the curls out until you are done curling the whole thing, and with that I will use a big comb. So as you can see, this hair is super easy to curl, and this is the reason why I love body wave hair in general, because when it comes to any type of style that requires curls, body wave hair is the go-to, because it holds the curls so much better and the curls come out so much prettier with the hair already being wavy versus straight hair. Like, I can achieve the same look with straight hair, but honestly it's so much better with the body wave. Now what I'm doing right here, I'm just taking where like my bang part is going to go, and I'm just going to clip that out of the way. And I end up razoring that bang part just a little bit after I finish combing everything out. And you can do that to prevent from cutting your bang too short. So that would be like the best thing to do, especially if you are a beginner. Just curl everything first, and if you want to go back and add layers, do it after you have combed everything out, and you can just play with the hair a little bit. So we are almost to the top, and I'm just doing the same thing, just curling the hair going towards the back. And after I curl this piece, I'm probably going to split that top little section right there. I'm probably in 2 to 3 parts, and I'm going to curl that back as well. But instead of curling it going straight to the back, I'm actually going to curl it going backwards, but towards up to the ceiling. And the reason why I'm going to do that is so that the curl can start higher, and that way you can see more of a bang effect, versus if I would have just curled it low, it wouldn't have been that much of a like natural little hump for my bang. So like I said, I'm going to curl that still backwards but towards the ceiling, and then once I comb everything out, then I will actually cut the layers in the bang. And this is our last curl, and we're just gonna drop that. But y'all see how high the curl actually starts to rotate from the top? This is exactly what you need before you begin to comb out. Now, like I said before, I am going to use a big wide comb, and as you can see, I'm using my little pretty pink, my favorite color, comb to brush out those curls. Now, if you do not want to cut any tracks in this hair, then you can just wear this style exactly like how you just see me brush it out. And you can play with the top a little bit to still give a bang look without cutting anything. But for me, I wanted to actually, wanted it to actually be like a bang. So I am going to go in with my razor comb and not my eyebrow razor, which my eyebrow razor is like my go-to. But I said, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and take my razor comb. That way I don't have to always recurl that top so much, because it'll drop much faster because it's not layered. So I'm going to go in with my razor comb and razor that down right about now. Well, after I curl this little piece right here, because get them pieces that aggravate y'all or that seem like it's too straight. Just do this to your liking, and this is why I like this. And I do use my Marcel iron to curl my hair too, but if you don't want to keep having to put it on the stove, take it off, wait, it's just like so much extra you have to do when you're using a Marcel iron. But if you a beginner also, I think a curling iron will be best, because you already know what temperature it's going to be and you won't burn your hair raw, versus using a Marcel iron and then it's too hot and you burn your shit clean off. So now I'm going to go in with my razor comb, and you just want to razor it down in an angle from short to long layers, because I want my layers to start higher up. So that's why I'm razoring high and then going down low, versus me doing it long and then short to the bottom. Like, make sure you pay attention to that. And you guys can see the difference already with it being cut, that my layers are starting much higher for my bang. And I'm going to play with that until it's falling exactly how I want it. But overall, child, I'm cute or whatever, and I'm just gonna drop this little video to show y'all how pretty this hair is, and to thank you guys for tuning in to I Am Beautiful Hustler channel. Till next time.